How to get rid of billing information verification problem on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Screen Time. Head over to the option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure you have toggle on for this option of Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now click on the option of iTunes and App Store purchases. Now check in for the option of Don't Require. Likewise, for all these options, installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases, set it to allow. After you customize these settings, head back, go to the main page of settings. Now at the very top, you're going to find your username, click on it. Now navigate to the option of payment and shipping. You'll be directed to this page. Now from here, you have to remove all of your payment details, likewise billing address. Once you remove it, click on Done, and again come to this page and again fill it. Type in your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Likewise, click on the option of billing address and fill this. After you provide all the details, click on Done. After you update this, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily get rid of billing information verification problem on your App Store on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.